Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a dabbing pineapple. So let's get started. To draw this very cool pineapple, let's first start by drawing its body. So I'm going to come right here and I'm basically drawing an oval, but it's kind of swayed to this side right here because he's dabbing, right? So that's what you want to keep in mind when you're drawing this oval. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start with a curve and I'm going to come to the other side. So the tops are a little bit thinner, narrower. The word is narrower, not thinner. Okay, so I'm going to just start with a kind of a curve like this, sloping down. And if you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and draw the whole shape first. But because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I know there's going to be a strand of leaf right here. So I'm just going to come in with a curve and bring this out first. Okay, so then now I can just finish my pineapple here. Just imagine being overlapped, so it's going to come about right here. Okay, now I can go ahead and start to draw the pineapple. So nice big plump pineapple. So as you can see, it's kind of leaning towards this side, right? So come over here and we're going to finish. Bring it in. A little bit flatter towards the bottom. And connect back up. So the shape of your pineapple doesn't matter at all. It could be shorter, taller, it's all up to you. It doesn't really matter. You just want to kind of lean it towards this side. Oop, this side a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw the leaves on top of it. And I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go back and forth. And this part doesn't even matter either. I just hope you have fun with this. So in the center, I'm just going to go up. And then I'm going to start the other side. This is meant to be a very cool, fun drawing. And one more. And bring it right back. I'm just going to come in here with some details to finish it off. Okay, so we got the hair leaf in. And then now let's bring it to life with these awesome glasses. So kind of in this area right here towards the top, I'm going to come out but right here and start with a slight angle. Kind of going towards the center of the pineapple. So this would be the center area. And then I'm going to dip in a little bit. Just going to give it a bridge of my glasses and then come back out. About right there. And then right here, I'm going to kind of round it off and do the same thing over here. Just give it a little corner right there and then find your center, so which is right here with that bridge. And then from there, we're going to come and connect it. Okay, and same thing over here. And connect. There, I got my cool sunglasses in. And then right here, just a little band. So I'm just going to go down with a curve for that side. So then right in between right here, let's give this pineapple a sweet, cool smile. It's a little bit higher on this side. And I'm going to come right here and give it a little wobble shape right here, a little oval for a highlight. And then shade this all in. So this drawing came about because you guys love my dabbing avocado so much. I want to thank you guys for that, cuties, for that. And so you requested more dabbing drawings, and so I thought it'd be really cool to try it with a pineapple, right? Because pineapples are awesome. So hopefully you love this dabbing pineapple just as much as the dabbing avocado. And thank you, cuties, for always inspiring me with your comments and your requests on what to draw. Okay, there, you got the glasses in. So then I'm gonna come right here in the top, just draw a small, slight curve above each eye. And then now let's draw the arms. So I'm gonna come about in this area, and right underneath the glasses is where I'm gonna put the arms. So about right here, I'm gonna curve and go right under the glasses, following the same angle, right there. So then about this area, I'm going to thicken up and draw the hands. So about right here. Just thicken up a thumb and the fingers. I'll just come in here and thicken this up. Okay, so one hand in. Now to draw, you know what? Sorry. I'll make it a little bit longer. So if you feel your fingers are too small, just make it bigger. There. Okay, so then now the other arm. So kind of at the same angle, it will come out about right here. And I'm gonna go straight out. So, but with the same angle. So about right there. And in this area, I'm going to start with the fingers again. So just thicken this and a thumb. There. Okay, so then now his legs. So in this area, about right here. I'm going to slightly bend the leg in, and then the feet. So right here at the bottom, just thicken up a little oval. And just come in here, thicken the legs up as well. Okay, so then one more. So kind of in this area where I made a mess, about here, we're just going to do a slight angle coming out about the same area. So right there, and then thicken up another oval. And let's see. That is pretty much it. So then when you color it, I'm not going to draw the bands around the texture on the pineapple with a Sharp because that would make it too dark. But when you're coloring it, just use like a darker orange and go ahead and draw all the curved lines on the pineapple to bring it to life. So there, hope you love this cute little drawing here of this cool dabbing pineapple, and I made it fun and easy for you to draw as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.